This is Harlowe for life. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. Cause we can't be stopped now. This is Harlowe for life. Woo-hoo! You want it more? You guys best be ready for more. Be ready for this. Going nowhere. We can't be stopped now. Let me start it off. Let's do one thing clear. I've been back in this game since I was first year. I party like a freshman when I was in first year. I love it if I ever wanna leave. This semester to semester. Working with the freshers. Ain't no tiny temper. I'm just steady learning lessons, man. Part of my present were a blessing, but they've never been disguised. Was trying to make my future into higher heights. Call me the rocket man. Shooting through the skies. I'm not thinking, but I'm putting stars in the rise. No surprise when I say Harlowe, I'll sing like I want to see. Pop and grind, cause going nowhere. Going nowhere. Can't be stopped now. This is Harlowe for life. We ain't we ain't going nowhere. We can't be stopped now. This is Harlowe for life. Yeah. Narberth, yes, let's go! I'm an outlaw, pick up the draw, something you never seen before. I'm a terror mother, who comes here in my face, fall back. I've got something to that, and it goes. I'm a terror mother, who comes here in my soul, real. How I feel, it's just inside the team. Don't make a nigga wanna kill. Yeah, they be running up and down the street for their t-shirts, dressed out loud, give it to me. They be saying, hey, hey, oh baby you want me, oh baby you want me, oh baby you want me. You can hang his laptop here, or na 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 oh, na 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 oh. You know the song, they sing along. Oh, I'm trying to let it go. Trying to keep my eyes closed. Trying to keep this life before. Times when everything I'm about to say. So when I see how it is, on the way it felt so serious. Got me just too much. Oh, they just trying to oh, that's one thing. They got me tripping. That's one thing. They got me tripping. That's one thing. That's so many feelings. That's one thing. And then oh, just one thing. Just one thing, I was admitted to this one thing, and I was so with it. It's just one thing, and it will. Are you ready? Make some noise, people, for that. Make some noise. And stop. Yes, sounds of Harlowe in the building. Are you ready? Here we go! Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Look, tell me what you got, tell mama. Tell me what you got, pretty lady. Tell me what you got, shorty. Tell me what you got, baby. Hands up and wave, 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 wave. On the mic, the crowd get hyper. When you step on the mic, the crowd don't like you. I want you thinking that they do so like my mic up. Step behind the sound, yes, turn my mic up. This shit get better on this ammunition. Release the way when you can't barely use the solution. This is the big kind of movie that you have to do. See the bottom, but we're trying to very include on my dick. So, look for on the horns. Here we go. Yeah. Like a heart of a dream, even people that. Yeah. You're having girl problems up and back for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one hit me. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one hit me. 99 problems, but sounds for getting hit up all lyrical. Individual, cause on the microphone I make lyrical miracles happen. Keep your hands snapping, you can't let me up and couple people down and win the game, a couple of people forget. See your money, that's the thing, that's the movie, I'm the movie, same, my boss. All the music on the ice, that's the thing, that looks fresh, looks nice. Oi! Fix up, look sharp. Fix up, look sharp. And again, fix up, look sharp. One more, fix up, look sharp. Whoa! Got the big please. Make sound. Do it. Got the big please. Sounds of Harlowe. One more time for me. Everybody, even at the back, let's go. Are you ready? We're gonna go. We'll be back. Sounds of Harlowe in the building. Alright then, Narberth, thank you very much for having us. We've been Sounds of Harlowe. And this is our very last one. I want you all to come right to the front for this one. Let's get rowdy. Let's get sweaty. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Look. Earn it up. Smack that fool. Earn it up. Get that fool. Get him. 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 Get that auntie up. Smack that fool. Get that fool. Hey. Hey. When I say we are, you say Harlowe, we are, we are. I say we are, you say Harlowe, we are, we are. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mike Gill on the drums. Yeah, 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 yeah. Here we go again. Yes, here we go. Earn it up, smack that fool. Kidnap that fool. Smack that fool. Kidnap that fool. This is out the Harlowe. We're out. Well, that was fun. Thank you guys so much for having us. We got our name, the Sounds of Harlowe. Would you guys like to see us back again maybe sometime in the future? That's what we like to hear. We're very sweaty and knackered. Thank you for having us. And make some noise for Yes Sir Boss coming on later on. Thank you very much, guys. Peace.